This is How Deep the Father's Love for Us in the Key of D by Stuart Townend. And it is a really beautiful hymn that I love. So in the key of D, we have some main chords. As always, make sure to stop the video right now. Click on the description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. All right, in the key of D, we have D, G, A. And then in this song, we have an E minor and a B minor. All right, so D chord is made up of D, F sharp, A, E minor, and also that makes a triangle. Pretty simple to remember that. E minor is E, G, B. G chord, G, B, D. A is made up of A, C sharp, E. Makes this triangle shape again. Then we have our, B minor is just in verse, one of the verses. So here we go is a B, D, F sharp. Kind of makes this curve shape here. All right, so when our right hand is going to be playing those simple chords, our left hand can just play single notes. Like I said, this is simplified piano. This is a way to just simplify your chords. I've even stripped out some chords for you because typically hymns have so much going on. So we're going to play single notes here. So we're going to, D is in our right hand. We're going to play this single note down here. Then E minor to E, G to G, A in the bass to A, and then of course B to B minor. So essentially you could put pinky on G, line up your 5 fingers, and you don't have to move this hand the whole song. The rhythm that I'm going to do to bring the 2 hands together is a simple 1-to-2 ratio, which simply means together, right, together, right. Since this is written in 4/4 time signature, it's just going to fit beautifully with that. Okay, together, right, okay? Let's just add some vocals to it so you understand what I mean. How deep the Father's love for us. Together, right, okay? How vast beyond all measure. Together, right, together. That He should give His only Son to make a wretch His treasure. How great the pain of searing loss. The fall. Pretty simple, right? Together, right, together, right. The verses are going to repeat themselves over and over and over. So you'll notice on the printable chord sheet, I have the chord written above the word in which that chord, the next chord changes. So how deep the Father's love for us. How vast beyond all measure that He should give His only Son. That will kind of help you to know, like some people have confusion, like how do I know when to change to the next chord? Sometimes people's ears can just naturally know that, and sometimes you can't. So I've tried to really be particular in how I arrange these chord sheets for you so that you can know that the word that the chord is written above is where you change that next chord. The turnaround here, or you can use that as your intro, is just D, G, and D. And that can just bring you back into the next verse if you want to do that, okay? You can also use the last line of a sentence. Bring me sons to glory. And then that starts your song, okay? All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. I hope you love it, and just worship along with me. How deep the Father's love for us. How vast beyond all measure that He should give His only Son to make a wretch His treasure. And how great the pain of searing loss. wounds have paid my ransom, but this I know with all my heart, his wounds have paid my ransom. His wounds have paid my ransom. But this I know with all my heart, his wounds have paid my